Okay, so another cup style mask. Piece of paper folded into quarters, cut around that sort of shape, a little bit more pointed down here, 10 centimeters from the center where the fold is to the edge, 8 centimeters this way, and some notches cut in it. You'll figure it out like that, and then under your folded non-woven polypropylene, you'll put that under there, then the clamp on top, and then you'll cut all the way around the outside. Oops. You'll cut all the way around the outside, discarding that, take the paper out, put the clamp back on, and you'll sew that edge on the outside with a zigzag stitch. Then you'll get rid of the clamp, then you'll draw on with a big fat white pen, a line there, line down the center, a line here and a line here. These are just fold marks. Anyway, leap several stages ahead and you've ended up with a mask. On the inside you can see where that line was. I've sewn along there, then cut off the excess little triangles like that. Gone. Turned it inside out. Oh, of course, in the middle of that I put some nose wire during the first sew, and then finished it before folding and cutting those corners off. So it's the classic electrical flex nose wire in here. Anyway, so inside out it looks like this. Right way around it looks like this. It holds on your face quite well. In fact, it can stay on your face, or mine at least, without elastic. Not sure how long for, but either way. So then with the super fat needle, wherever that's gone, I just sewed the elastic in. But there's a new problem, and that is that these little corners here that were sewn and then turned inside out begin to fold in. So it's all very stiff just after you've made it, but after 10 washes I wonder how stiff it would be. I think I'm going to resurrect an old technique from last year and sew across that white line there. I'm going to sew a zip tie across the centre that's going to force that corner out and force this corner out. And then it will hold, leave you on the outside, it will leave you a line going across here. I'm using red thread of course, but you would use black if you're making these for real. That zip tie across the whole thing will keep it structurally 3D. It'll survive multiple washes, keeping its shape, so it keeps cupped away from your face. It breathes really well, so only 3 layers. I don't know what percentage that is, 70% or something. And it's only 5 minutes to sew. It's pretty nice. Yeah, there was one sew at the bottom, one more line drawn, and then a triangle cut out. So it cuts in at the chin, the 2 cheeks, but not at the top. That's just a contiguous piece of fabric, and that's where it goes around your nose with the nose wire. It's pretty good. Dead quick to make.